Kulumbai, Namaste, Salam, all my dear friends, brothers and sisters and girlfriends. This is a video clip from the recently held program where the Bon-Asur Brothers MC came together to organize a program fight against drug abuse at the Brahma Mission HS School, Chirang. Since Chirang is a hotbed for drug consumption, drug abuse, where young school boys are involved in drug abuse. So we had a discussion with some few friends, and we conducted this particular event on the occasion of Gandhi jayanti. The audio is not clear because the person who was taking this video, his audio thing was broken or something, I don't know. And you won't be able to see the complete video over here because his GoPro was he couldn't take extra battery, isn't it? So next time if we conduct another program like this, I'll try to bring a complete video. So this was the game I conducted, which was to test the awareness of the children. So altogether there were around 120 students from class 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And then some few teachers, you can see the next left side of the screen. So after this game, I conducted another game which is not seen in this video. Then after conducting these two games, I gave them a speech on the, what are the bad implications of drug abuse and all that. Yeah, I'll bring full video next time. And after this, we distributed some packet lunch to the 120 students, those who were present, and another 20 or 30 students who were hostelers, small kids, who were not seen over here. And after distribution of packet lunch, we did a medicinal tree plantation. We planted some Indian gooseberry, and then also some other plants, local plants. Thank you for watching, and I'll try to bring full video next time. Thank you.